Hey guys, I want to get on and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Have you ever thought about why you fell in love with that partner, that husband, that boyfriend, that girlfriend, that friend? Think about why you fell in love with that person and don't forget it. A lot of times when we've been married or been going with some for a long time or had a friend for a long time, think about how wonderful it was when you first met them and what attracted you to them for them to be a friend. And normally you're a friend first in any relationship. Why did you love that friend? If you will take the attitude to think about what made you fall in love with that person as a friend, it's something to think about. I think a lot of times we get so involved with other things in our lives that we forget about those little things that made us love them. So you think about it. Don't find their faults in them. Keep the positive, and don't forget to give a smile, especially to your friends. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And I love you. And thank you, Tracy B. This is so sweet and so thoughtful for you to take the time to make this next necklace for me. Thank you. I love y'all. I love you. Until tomorrow.